Suppose that Python is executing statements inside some if body. If the next statement's tab number is less than LWPython's current tab, then the if body has ended. LWPython is then going to decrease the current tab by 1 until the current tab is equal to the tab number of the next statement, while keeping the current line unchanged. More precisely, if the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, and the control map is cm, and there's a statement at line I and tab k, where k is less than j, and the value at j minus 1 in map cm is equal to pair if and some if value, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is line is I, tab is j minus 1, and the control map is still cm. The if keyword inside the control map value indicates that Python is inside an if body. This is important. If Python is inside a different type of body, such as loops, the keyword is also different, and Python may not decrease the current tab. Let's look at an example. Python first assigns 7 to variable a. Since a is 7, the if test in line 2 is true. Thus, LWPS enters the if body and executes the statement at line 3, tab 1. At time 12, the current line is 4 and the current tab is 1, and the control map contains an entry 0 and the value if true, and the variable map contains the entry A7 and B3. There is a statement at line 4, tab 0. Since the tab number of this statement is less than the current tab, and we were inside an if body, Python is going to decrease the current tab to 0 and execute line 4. At the conclusion of the program, there are 3 variables a, b, and c.